Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to update your tax information in the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So let's start by opening up the Amazon Seller app. So I'm going to open it up right here. In the top left-hand corner, we're going to click on the three little lines. This will pull up another menu to the left side of the screen. From here, we're going to click on the little gearbox icon in the top right-hand corner. It just looks like a little gear. So we're just going to tap on that really quick. And then this will pull up the settings screen. This is where you can make these settings in your Amazon account. And then we're going to go to account setting. Then we're going to go to the third option where it says tax information. So I'm going to click on tax information. Now, if you already have your information loaded in here and you need to make a change, this is fine. That's okay. So it'll start by asking you what language you want it to be in. So I'm just going to leave it in English. Then it'll ask, what is your tax classification, whether you're an individual or a business? And it says individual includes sole proprietor or disregarded entity where the owner is an individual. And then it says learn about tax classification. So you can switch it either one. You can switch it to individual or business. Then it'll ask you if you're a United States citizen. You just click yes or no. Then tax information, you have to put your full name. I think I just have my first and last name on there. You can put your DBA where you're doing business as, but that is optional right there. Then it's going to ask for your US taxpayer ID number, so your social security number, or it'll ask for your individual taxpayer identification number, your employee identification number. So you can use either one of these three. So I'm just going to leave it at social security number right there. You type it in, scroll down a little bit, and then address, type in your country. You type in the address line, so where you want your tax information to be recorded. This is where they're going to send any tax forms or paperwork at the end of the year. So you type in your address, city, state, postal code, and then hit save and preview, or you can exit without saving. So I'm just going to exit without saving, but that's all you do. It's not a very complicated screen. You can also change it on the Amazon Seller dashboard from your computer if you need to, but it's nice to know you can do it on your phone as well. So that's going to be it for today. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.